PDM Studio, the open, high-performance solution for managing product data. In this video, we will introduce you to NX integration in PDM Studio using the example of creating an assembly. To quickly get a visual impression of the assembly, the associated JT document can be opened. The JT viewer contains the assembly structure and all the properties of the individual documents. In PDM Studio, the assembly structure created in NX is also mapped directly. This facilitates orientation. All relevant information is immediately provided for the selected document. You will find the revision history of the document and see which revisions already exist, what has been changed and which status in the life cycle the respective revision has. You can use call rules to define in which status the assembly is to be opened. We first open the assembly in the status in which it was originally released. Thus, the part in the assembly is also used without the latest change because that is how it was originally created. To automatically use the latest parts, we change the call rule accordingly. When opening the assembly, all documents used are now checked to see if there are already newer revisions. If this is the case, they will be replaced automatically. Now you can see what the assembly would look like in the latest revision. A wizard supports you in creating a copy of your assembly. The entire structure is displayed automatically and you can select which components are to be copied at the same time. In addition, the wizard takes into account the dependencies between the documents. Thus, when selecting a drawing, the corresponding 3D model is always selected as well. This avoids unwanted links and relieves the user in this process. You can edit the required master data for the new documents clearly in a list view. If you have made the settings accordingly, the information from the 3D model is automatically transferred to the other outgoing documents. This means all information is in sync again, without you having to do this manually. The copies are created, and the links between the documents are updated. In the Where Used list, the links of the non-copied components to the new assembly are also displayed immediately. This gives you an immediate overview of all components and their connections to each other. Now you can open the new assembly with the latest parts and continue working on it. If you want to replace a part with another, select the part in the assembly and switch to PDM Studio to find the new part. The quick search function supports you in this. Enter a search term and the search results will show all documents where this search term appears anywhere in the data fields. The part is replaced directly in NX, and in PDM Studio the connections are updated automatically. To update the drawing, you now open the corresponding drawing, directly from the assembly, without tedious manual searching. PDM Studio knows the connection between 3D model and drawing. According to the configuration in NX, the title block is also provided with the latest information. Also updated is the JT file for quick visualization of the assembly. The updated documents are also used there. Here you can see a list of all drawings that belong to the assembly. To obtain overall documentation of the assembly in the form of a single PDF document containing all drawings, there is an easy-to-create process that performs this task. This can be started manually, as here, or run automatically as part of a status change, for example. In the background, all drawings belonging to the assembly are converted into PDF and then compiled to one single PDF file. If desired, you can transfer this PDF to an ERP system or pass it on to production. While the process is running in the background, you can do other tasks. This not only relieves you of routine work, but also increases the quality of the information, as nothing can be forgotten and everything is always up to date. For more information, please visit us on www.pdm-studio.tech/en.